Hello everybody, it's Cody3751. Today we're going to be looking at this locomotive. This is a 2415. This is a 282 Mikado, which is the model. It's a model, so I can just do whatever I want. But the real 2415 on the game is actually at 482, but I decided to make this one a 282 because honestly I don't know what else to do because I don't have a 482 that works. You know, but this is a 282 as you can see. Pretty big engine, but you know it's pretty huge. It won't fit on my layout, but it'll fit on the club's layout. You know, this thing, I was able to get this up to a top speed of about 60, I think it was. I can't remember how big it was, but obviously not as fast as it was moving in the game. But you know, I was able to get this thing up to 45 miles an hour, no problem. But I could go up to 60, but I don't want to push the voltage too much. So I'm going to go ahead and run with this locomotive and see what happens. Okay, so now it's on the track. We're going to go ahead and we're going to adjust this just a little bit. I think we'll be good now. Okay, let's test, make sure it works. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to plug this in. See what happens. I don't know, this is what makes me have this thing. This is so old. My goodness. Okay, so now we're going to turn it back, turn it on. Circuits on. See which direction it'll go first. Right on the money. Man, it sounds old. So far, so good. You can keep it at that low speed. That's a 50. This thing is not running so well, is it? Oh, crud. Come on. A little faster. Not running very well, is it? I swear, one of those engines is working fine, but this one isn't. Man, this 2415 is not doing so well today. He's not been good when you come in. Let's see. Come on. I think it's time for a new motor. Wants to do that. For some reason it doesn't work anywhere else. Might be time to clean my track. Well, that's the first time I've moved in a while. At least that's the truth. See how much power he's doing. Slow it down just a little bit more to get down to a certain level. And I'll keep it at 50 for a while. Keep it running. Yeah, these engines are, this thing is ancient, but at least it gets the job done. I don't want to push it too hard. So far, so good. At least it's starting to get some interesting action. Just the gears. Gotta stop for just a little while. Okay, so you get the picture. Let's run at slow speeds, how it does. This just started at 40. Do 40 for a little while. That was slower. Should be plenty fast for now. This thing's old, but it works. So far, so good. Not too bad, but you know, it's seen better days. I said I could put a CAN motor in it and make it run like 10,000 times better, but right now, or not 10,000. I meant to say 10 times better. But it runs pretty well. Okay, as soon as it runs for about, I say about 20 minutes, we could probably hook up some car and see how it does. So far, so good. It's running pretty smooth since I forced it to do that high speed run. Okay, so we're gonna hook up some cars, see what happens. Okay, I don't have a pull gauge, but I got the next best thing, which is these 10 ore cars. Now, obviously, Columbia Western never hauled ore cars, but I decided that's the next best thing. I don't have a pull gauge to. Okay, that's a 40 now. They're pretty good, so that's just simple for this engine, I would say. Let's see. I gotta really keep a close eye on this thing because it's about as old as Hercules, or not quite as old as Hercules, but I say it's from the 19. I don't know what year it came from. I'll probably say the 1940s. I don't know for sure. I don't know what else to tell you. So far, so good. I mean, it's not performing as well as I think it should, but at least that's a step forward from where it was. I mean, it was barely moving when I first started running it. I said these old engines, these manual engines, they're incredibly tough. They just run. Never give them a chance. It's starting to slow down a little bit. It might not be so good now. Okay. This is not good. It's starting to slow down a little bit. Maybe that's the speed it's supposed to go. I don't know. Give it a little more speed. This is not good. Might want to give it a little more speed. See how fast the thing go. Well, that does it for the video. And anyway, so yeah, 2415 is doing pretty nicely. There's a similar locomotive to this. I'll do that in a separate video. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you later. And it smells like oil. I tell you that much. It smells like oil. Okay, so these are exactly identical locomotives, but the other one has a Vanderbilt tender, so I don't know. It looks pretty good. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you later.